It all begins in the forested hills of Azerbaijan, where a talented team is about to turn an empty riverside clearing into a stunning modern A-frame retreat, completely from scratch. From raw land to luxury cabin living, this is going to be amazing. With the site cleared and materials finally arriving, the team wastes no time getting started. First up, laying blocks and building the foundation that'll support the entire structure. Since the cabin will sit on a rectangular footprint, the foundation follows the same shape, creating the base for the future A-frame design. Next, the surrounding ground is excavated before the soil removed from the site is reused to begin filling and leveling the inside of the foundation. There's an unexpected hitch. The excavated soil alone is not enough. So additional fill material is brought in and carefully spread across the entire area. Once everything is leveled and compacted, a damp-proof membrane is rolled out across the foundation to protect the structure from moisture rising through the ground. Concrete is then poured section by section, while plumbing pipes are measured, prepared, and positioned before the slab fully sets. More supplies continue arriving as the slab is finally completed. And with the base cured, construction officially moves upward as perimeter wall work begins. The outer walls continue to rise, while the plumbing lines are sealed in concrete. Simultaneously, plasterwork also gets underway. Water and electrical systems are installed directly into the walls as the internal layout of the cabin slowly starts coming together. As more walls are completed, the overall floor plan becomes easier to recognize. Long timber beams are then placed along the tops of the perimeter walls. Now comes the fun part of the build, the A-frame roof structure. Massive timber sections are measured, cut, and prepared on site. The timber sections are joined into giant triangular frames before being carefully lifted one by one into position like a giant Jenga. This step takes teamwork. The crew carefully balances the heavy frames while making sure everything stays aligned and structurally stable. With the main frame standing, connecting support members are installed, locking the entire A-frame skeleton together. Additional timber supports are fitted throughout the length of the roof structure. Then metal brackets secure the structure firmly to the base. Final roof members are added before the team stretches a breathable roofing membrane over the entire structure. This waterproof membrane acts as a protective barrier, stopping rain and moisture from penetrating the roof system. Window openings are cut into the roof, ensuring the loft will receive plenty of natural light and proper ventilation. The team installs gutter brackets along the roof edges, providing mounting points for the gutters. Blue corrugated roofing sheets finally arrive on site and immediately begin transforming the appearance of the cabin. The roofing panels are carefully trimmed and fitted around the window openings for a clean finish. Work continues across the opposite roof section, gradually enclosing the entire structure. The steep angle of the A-frame design works perfectly with corrugated metal roofing, allowing rainwater to drain quickly and reducing the risk of leaks. As the loft windows are being finished, construction shifts back indoors, where interior wall work continues. Upstairs, framing begins for the front upper wall, shaping the recognizable front face of the cabin. Meanwhile, downstairs, the second interior wall is completed and immediately plastered smooth. The remaining walls receive the same treatment, while construction of the upper floor continues overhead. Insulation is fitted between the wall framing, helping create a comfortable and energy-efficient interior. Electrical work now begins, with wiring routed through the structure and outlet positions carefully marked. To prepare the front facade, the team welds a metal frame into position, creating the mounting structure for the future glass panels and door. As winter settles over the hills of Azerbaijan, this floor heating system will help the cabin stay warm from the ground up. A skim coat is applied, creating a perfectly smooth wall surface. This will improve paint adhesion later on. It is finally time to screed the ground floor. Sand, cement, and water are mixed into an even concrete layer. The screed is carefully spread across the floor, covering embedded underfloor heating pipes before being leveled with a long, straight edge. Precision is everything here. Even the slightest unevenness would ruin the final flooring finish. With the flooring complete, tiling finally begins. Bathroom floor tiles are carefully measured and cut around the drain opening. Large tiles are installed on the bathroom walls, giving the space a clean, modern finish and making the compact room feel larger, brighter, and more refined. In a bathroom, wall tiles do more than complete the look. They create a protective skin against moisture and daily water exposure, helping the walls stay clean and durable over time. Once tiling is complete, exposed timber surfaces are covered with reflective aluminum foil insulation. PVC ceiling panels are then installed, while wiring for the overhead bathroom light is positioned in place. These panels are an installer's dream, locking into place quickly and easily, making the whole job feel effortless. The PVC panels eventually conceal the entire insulated area, leaving behind a much cleaner interior finish. Bathroom fittings can now be added, starting with soap dispensers and wall-mounted accessories. Attention now shifts to the kitchen walls, while upstairs, long panels begin covering the upper walls. The panels interlock tightly together, while leaving clean openings for future windows. Bit by bit, the interior finally begins looking less like a construction site and more like a real home. After several final adjustments upstairs, work moves back down to the ground floor. Wall panels continue to rise across the interior, with precise openings left for the fixtures that will bring the space to life later. Meanwhile, a gypsum skim coat is applied over the concrete walls to smooth out imperfections. The crew splits into teams to speed things up. One group handles panel installation, while another continues wall finishing. Once the skim coating is complete, the window frames are finally brought into the cabin. Glass installation begins shortly after, sealing the structure while flooding the interior with natural light. Electrical finishing work now begins with power outlet installation, followed by lighting fixtures. From one end of the house, workers begin laying the final floor tiles over adhesive. Tile by tile, the entire interior floor is covered, slowly transforming the space from a raw construction zone into a livable home. Construction now turns toward the staircase connecting the ground floor to the loft above. Once the staircase is complete and grout is applied between the tiles, work shifts back upstairs. One builder starts building the loft balcony railing, using timber that blends naturally with the rest of the cabin. At the same time, the rest of the team starts installing exterior cladding on the back gable wall. To save time, the white cladding planks have already been pre-cut to match the angles of the A-frame design. Even with the preparation, fitting every plank perfectly still takes patience and precision. So the crew works late into the night to get it done. Once the cladding is secured, the remaining window frames and glass panels are installed. The cabin itself is nearly complete, so attention shifts toward building the outdoor deck area. Because the deck has to align perfectly with the cabin's ground floor, support posts are carefully set to matching heights. Reinforced with concrete, these posts will support both the framing and the finished deck surface above. With the beams and joists installed and painted, deck boards are finally laid into place. At the same time, front exterior cladding is added to the walls. This gives the cabin a much cleaner finished look. Now it's time for the main entrance door, beginning with a metal frame welded directly into the wall opening. A section of the roof must be cut away, opening a path for the chimney to rise through the structure. Inside, the team constructs the fireplace, providing the cabin with a reliable source of warmth when temperatures drop. Trim molding is installed next. This helps conceal awkward angles while giving the interior sharper, cleaner lines. While some of the team focuses on interior details, the rest continue the exterior cladding work outside. Finally, the interior receives its first coat of paint. The bright white finish instantly makes the cabin feel larger and more modern. The wood floors are also sanded and finished with protective coats, preparing them for daily use. And now the original vision is finally becoming reality, both inside and outside the cabin. To secure the staircase, painted wooden slats are installed one by one, forming a sleek, modern screen that adds safety while blending neatly with the cabin's interior design. Lighting fixtures are installed next, including outdoor string lights wrapping around the front facade. As finishing touches continue outside, work resumes on the deck railing. First come the support posts, then followed by the top rail and finally the balusters between them. The finished cross-brace railing blends farmhouse charm with modern design, giving the deck real character. Now the doors are installed, with frames painted to perfectly match the trim throughout the cabin. The loft railing and window walls are painted, bringing the interior together visually as the cabin's final character starts to emerge. But the project is still far from finished. Construction now expands beyond the cabin, with work beginning on the swimming pool, cabana, and surrounding landscape design. After the pool is excavated, the foundation is constructed quickly as the outdoor space begins to take shape. The goal is to create a pool area that flows naturally from the cabin into an outdoor entertainment space. After the concrete base cures, a steel reinforcement grid is installed throughout and around the pool foundation. At the same time, the pool plumbing is laid in place, setting up the water circulation lines. Concrete arrives on site dramatically as the slope makes things a little interesting. Once everything is under control, the concrete is poured over the reinforcement cage, shaping the bottom section of the pool shell. A thick concrete layer ensures the steel is fully protected while adding long-term structural stability. Once the pool floor dries, the crew starts assembling formwork for the vertical pool walls. These temporary molds are designed to withstand the massive pressure created by wet concrete. A concrete pump delivers the concrete over the reinforcement cage, shaping the pool shell in one continuous pour. Once hardened, the forms are removed to reveal the final reinforced pool walls. A bitumen primer is smeared onto the pool shell first, preparing the surface for the torch-on waterproofing membrane that will seal the concrete against water penetration. A small pump room is built to house the pool's filtration and circulation equipment. Backfill is placed around the pool, while the overall cabana and garden layout also begins taking shape. An old, unused water tower is demolished at the edge of the property. Additional soil is imported to help raise and level the surrounding landscape. This phase of construction is labor-intensive. Bringing in heavy machinery helps move things along faster. Meanwhile, landscaping work begins as plants and trees are carefully transplanted around the property. Hardscape features like walkways, planters, fencing, and other outdoor details are constructed to shape the final garden layout. And now, the garden starts bringing warmth and life to the once empty construction site. But there's still plenty left to do around the pool, including the construction of a second pool deck area. An outdoor kitchen and cabana begin taking shape. This will turn the pool area into a complete backyard retreat designed for hosting, cooking, and spending quality time outdoors. The deck builder installs guardrails around the perimeter, closing off the open edges, while another builder focuses on the fireplace details. And now, it is finally time to finish the pool. The process begins with waterproofing the interior shell. A protective screed coat is applied over the waterproofing, creating a solid surface for the tile work that follows. And with that, the pool is complete. Pool furniture and steps are installed, giving the entire outdoor space its final resort-style finish. Satisfied, the team begins furnishing the cabin, starting with the living room and then the loft. As everything comes together, the cabin finally starts feeling like a home. Warm, inviting, and fully livable. Outside, a flame treatment is applied to the deck boards. This makes it more resistant to rot and insects while giving the wood a darker, more textured finish. By the time the final touches are complete, night has already fallen, revealing some stunning views of the finished cabin. The interior is the perfect blend of modern living and a warm, rustic atmosphere. Despite its compact size, the cabin delivers all the comfort and functionality of a modern A-frame home. The pool, surrounding deck, and cabana come together as one cohesive space, transforming the outdoor area into a private resort-style retreat. This entire project was built by the team from Lank Home, based in Azerbaijan. Check out their YouTube channel, where they document unique cabin builds set in remote natural landscapes. That's it for today. Subscribe to Techfreeze for more builds, more stories, and plenty more projects just like this. See you soon!